Happy days, guys. Welcome to a brand new video. I don't have a specific plan for today because I just got to my hotel where I'm staying, which I will show you to later. I guess I will just have a stroll around the city. Tomorrow I'm planning to rent a bike. For the next 3 days I will rent a bike because I will stay here for 4 nights. Wow, look at this. This is just a normal construction in the middle of houses, supermarkets, as you can see around. Look at this beauty. It's a pretty area, definitely, but it's pretty quiet as well. Okay, now we're approaching the main road. Cars and bikes are coming and going, but it is really quiet. Love it so far. And it's fresher. If you compare it to Kuta, the southern part of the island is much fresher. Hello. No, well, lovely lady, she was offering me a massage. Yeah, so I checked, there are a few things you can do without renting a motorbike around. Of course, you can go to the center to see the Ubud Palace, etc. And you can choose in between the monkey forest or the trekking. I don't know the name of it, I forgot the name of it, but what I know is that down this road on the left hand side you can see and you can find the path. Look at that. It's getting tight, the situation here. Let's see. Without getting killed, we're moving forward. We don't care. We literally don't care. And this is the main road. From my understanding, we just need to go that way. This is a temple, a Hindu temple, it sees like. On my way to the trekking, I've seen this beauty with these beautiful gates, and I decided to get in. Of course, as already mentioned on the past video, in Bali you've got to pay for everything, every single thing. However, this entrance was only 10,000. 10,000 is nothing. They gave me also this piece of cloth, as you can see, and this red thingy to hold it. Really nice. I believe we need to cover our legs in sign of respect. The guy told me upon entering that you can assist at the show tonight. The ticket is 100,000. For me, it's not worth it, but still, there are people interested in such things. What a beauty. What an absolute beauty. What I love about this is, compared to the Angkor Wat complex in Cambodia, these temples are really well kept. They are maintained, clean, and they look old, although I believe they aren't. Right, so this is the view from upstairs, and in here we get to see the core part of the temple, which is this beautiful tree, as the ones we've seen in Cambodia, and this beautiful gate, where of course we cannot step on. But I'm also happy because it's not such a long tour, because anyway I wanted to do the trekking. I don't want to... Oh, look at that. Oh, incredible, really nice sceneries. But as I was saying, I'm happy that it's not such a huge complex, because my main goal was to go to do the trekking. We're leaving the temple behind, really nice, it's cool. I need to move forward. Anyway, let's carry on. And here we go. We just took this street, and this street will lead us to the walk. What I like also about Bali is that you can literally bike everywhere. Here is the parking. You leave your bike, no problems, and then you just go, and it's lovely. To be honest as well, the infrastructure here in Bali is really good. Look at this green color, look at the bamboo tree over there. Can you hear the insects? Wow, look at this. What beautiful pagoda. Love that. Right, so as you can see, there is other people doing this trekking. It's a 2 kilometer. Right, look at that. In the distance, what beauty. What beauty. As I was saying, it's a 2 kilometers trekking, and apparently at a specific point you'll get to a bridge where you'll be able to see the rice terraces. Right, so I found a little spot in here to admire this valley. Down there I believe there is a river because I can hear it. I don't know if you guys can make it up. And all these beautiful palm trees. This is the end of the trekking itself. This small gate which might lead to a resort or a hotel, it's our last stop. Oh yeah, we arrived at the end of this trekking, I believe, but I'm not sure. Let's just move forward a little bit. Sorry, is it this from the end of the trekking? Or is there still?
There's some more rice fields over there that you can look at, but yeah, I just turned around eventually.
Eventually, we will turn around as well. Oh, I love these drawings. They're really beautiful, full of colors. After walking for more than 500 meters, you're gonna end up in one of these beautiful rice fields. Everything is green and peaceful around. When a motorbike is not passing by, everything is so quiet. You can only hear the nature, and this is amazing. Look at that. And here we have a sign showing to us Ubud Palace that way. 25 minutes walking. That's okay. We've got time. Right, so now that I'm walking back all the way to the main street on the other side, I've realized that this part where those two small young palm trees are is the most scenic one and is the most beautiful one. I believe because it's slightly on the hill, same on the other side, and you can have a better view of your surroundings. As you can see in here, we've got a better view over the valley, which is good, beautiful, but the most impressive thing is that it's really relaxing. If you walk back and forth and you keep quiet, no, not the way that like I do, but still, if you keep quiet, you'll love it because it's really relaxing. After this small trek, I am quite thirsty, honestly. So let's see if we can get one of these beautiful coconuts. I'm just curious, how much is it? Oh, hi there, how are you?
20.
20, yeah. Can I have one, please?
Yeah.
That's amazing. Wow, they're so big.
Huh?
They are so big.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that.
It's open, yeah.
Yeah, I wanna drink it. Yes, please. That's amazing. Where are you getting them?
Yeah.
From where are you getting them from? From the trees?
Yeah, for up there.
Oh, from this one?
Yeah.
And you're going up there?
Yeah.
Oh wow, what
Morning,
legend.
on the morning.
In the morning?
Ah.
Wow.
Yeah.
How long is taking for the coconut to
This,
become so big like that?
2 months.
2 months?
Ah.
Oh, that's okay.
2
I
months.
thought much longer.
Yeah, look.
Look at that, guys.
Because plus gel here.
Look at that, guys. He's cutting down the coconut for us.
Yeah, special Balinese.
Balinese coconut. Look at that. Is it
Yeah.
different than the other coconuts, right?
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. Look
Oh.
what beauty. What's her name?
Madi.
Maddy.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Amazing. Welcome to Ubud.
Thank you so much. You live here in the
Yeah.
city?
Yeah.
Wow, look at that, guys. It's so fresh.
So.
We've got
Ah.
so, and let's see. I'm just curious. Is this on your knife, yeah?
Yeah.
That's cool. Look at that, guys.
Balinese night.
Balinese knife. Everything is Balinese.
Black.
Black.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. It's like a small machete.
Yeah.
And he's going every morning all the way up there to pick up coconuts. Definitely not this tree, but others as well. Oh, look at that! It's coming out.
Yeah.
Is this on your
Open.
business? Yeah.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Amazing.
Oh, and the treasure is here. Look at
yeah.
that. Yeah, and this is good to eat. Yeah.
Yeah, everything.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
Let's just put this one in.
Okay.
That's amazing. Thank you.
Yeah.
Wow, it's quite heavy.
Oh.
Oh wow, it's having at least
Yeah.
2 kilos. Let's try it out.
2 kilo. This water. This a liter up.
Little up.
Yeah.
More than 2 kilos.
More.
Wow, it's tasting so good,
Yeah.
so refreshing. And he's right, it's a little bit different than the coconut water that I'm used to drink. It's less sweet,
It's organic.
organic definitely.
Yeah, organic.
Look at
No
that.
sugar.
No sugar, no nothing.
Yeah, no sugar.
Look at this beauty, how big it is. That's amazing. We
Now this means good business.
Yes, I hope so.
Oh.
Correct, yeah. So now with my friend here,
here.
we are I paid him and we are going to try this one because this is really good. I'm just curious to drink it whole. Like, look how big it is.
Mantap.
Mantap, mantap.
Mantap.
Wow. Guys, it's so big and so heavy for only 20,000. And here you've got the internal part that you can actually eat. No, it's not going.
Up there.
Oh, it's more inside.
Yeah.
Look at that.
This up there.
Out there.
Yeah.
It's full of juice.
Mm.
That's amazing. In the coconut, it's almost a liter
Yeah.
of juice.
Good choice. Mantap.
Mantap.
Yeah.
Mantap coconut.
Mantap coconut.
The best one.
Yeah.
That's great, guys. If you think that, careful.
Water.
Yeah.
Water.
How much?
Can?
Fine.
So he's living out of this business. So
Yeah.
every time we can, let's support such small businesses.
And this Bali water.
This is Bali from Bali.
Bali from Bali.
Oh wow.
And
Okay.
this from Jakarta.
Jakarta,
Yeah.
the big island
Yeah, big island.
where the capital
We
is.
import
No?
from Bali. Import from here.
Okay.
Yeah. And this Bali is special.
Bali special.
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Bali
amazing.
water.
And here we go. We finished our beautiful,
1 liter. Up.
humongous 1 liter coconut drink. And I'm here with Madip.
Yeah.
It was Mantap.
Yeah.
Mantap
Mantap
coconut.
coconut.
Balinese coconut.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Right, guys, if you manage to get to do the trekking here, Mantip is here on a daily basis, right? You
Yeah.
starting to work at 7
Yeah.
and then you finish at what time you finish to work? 6?
This 6.
6.
Yeah.
From 7 to 6 he's here 11 hours straight, and we only paid 20,000 rupiah. That's a really lovely guy. Of course, I gave him a small tip, the change from the 50s that I had, but still it's really nice to help such people, really welcoming people that aren't mad at you because you are here, like I've experienced during these 3 months traveling. But anyway, let's move forward to the center. Right, guys, I want to keep it short and sweet. Hopefully you enjoyed the trekking. It was a pretty fast trekking. It was nice. We've seen beautiful trees, beautiful nature, and we've tasted one of the best and biggest coconuts that I ever seen in my life. It was over a liter worth of coconut water. That's amazing. Till next time, I will send you a big hug and thank you so much for watching the videos. Have a good day.